This podcast is for anyone who wants to use the Google Cloud Print feature inside of Google Chrome to be able to print remotely to a school or work printer from a personal device without having the two devices connected together. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to the computer that's connected directly to the printer. So in this case, you want to probably use your classroom desktop computer. Open up a Chrome browser so that you're looking at a screen similar to what I'm looking at. Now, you need to be able to sign into Google Chrome when you do this. So in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see these three little lines. Click that button and scroll down and you'll see a link that says Sign into Chrome. Now, it doesn't matter which email address you choose. It has to be a Gmail account, but whatever one it is, it's going to link your two computers via that Chrome login. So make sure you use the same login on both computers. Now, to do this, I am going to use my personal email account to do this because that's how I link everything already. And then you're going to click Sign In. And once you're signed in, it'll say, yay, your Chrome is now linked. Great. And it's good. Now, the other beauty of doing this is it links all of your bookmarks, all of your drive, everything that you do via that email to all of your devices. So wherever you're signed in, everything is linked. So you'll get the same tabs, the same apps everywhere you go. It's a beauty of Google Chrome. Okay, you want to click these three little lines in the upper right corner. And you'll see that one, you're signed in as your user. Instead of sign in as Chrome, you'll sign in. And right below that, you'll see Settings. Click your Settings. Scroll to the bottom of your settings, and you'll see Show Advanced Settings. And then scroll to almost the bottom of that, and you'll see Google Cloud Print. Now, you want to click Add Printers. Now, remember, you're doing this on your desktop computer. Now, all of the possible printers that are installed on this computer will now pop up. Now, the one I'm really concerned about is this one that says Dell Laser Printer 1700, because that's the printer in my classroom. Now, you can click anything you want. If your printer happens to connect to multiple printers, if your computer happens to connect to multiple printers, like you have a classroom computer and then a building computer or an office computer, then you want to click all of them because it'll allow you to print to any of those devices that you do. And then it'll also allow you to, as soon as a new one is installed, it'll automatically link that new printer as well. So you want to click Add Printer. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Now, that's what you're doing on your desktop computer. Now you go to your personal device. And when you go to your personal device, you can now print any web-based document. So let's say, for example, I want to print something from my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to drive.google.com, and I'm going to go log in. Now, it doesn't really matter what you pick. So I'm just going to pick some random thing that I've got here. Here happens to be a copy of Chrome extensions for educators. So I want to print this. So I see this little print icon, so I click Print. Now, I'm on my personal device when I'm doing this. So I'm on my laptop, sitting on my couch right now, recording this video, and I'm going to now print to my classroom printer. So now when I click Print, I see this destination link, and I'm going to click Change. And before, you would have had local destinations as your options, but down below you see Google Cloud Print. And one of my options is now that printer that's sitting in my classroom. And so I'm going to choose that printer. And now when I click this print button, bam, it's going to print to that printer in my classroom. And when I show up to school the next day, that printout will be waiting there for me, so I can run it down to the photocopier or do whatever I need to do with it. And that's everything you need to know about Google Cloud Printing.